Heidi ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. And today I'm going to do this 1971 copper clad $half. Turn it into a nice ring. Okay, here we go again. Punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing? Good? It's half-inch punch. Let's go over to the lady herself, Big Bertha. Okay, this is my 20-ton hydraulic press. Oh, camera's sliding down a bit. Get up there, boy. Okay, that went through. Right, what we got? This isn't for anybody in particular again. I'm just knocking out rings for my Christmas place, if I'm lucky enough to get one. Right. Now I just have to clean up this inside edge where I just went through with a punch. I'm going to make sure there's no micro cracks or anything happening down there. Otherwise this can cause the ring to split when you start stretching it. So you want this nice and clean. There you go. That's nice. Right. Let's give it some love. Let's warm it up with Bernie, the fire starter. This is called annealing. Just softens up the metal so you can work it a bit easier. It's funny, I got an order yesterday from this guy in Ireland, and he bought a finished one marker ring, and I thought perhaps she's married to a Finnish girl. So in the end I couldn't control it anymore. I emailed him and said, look man, sorry, I know I'm a bit nosy, but I've got to know, what are you doing? His name was Johnny, so he wasn't a Finn. I said, what are you doing buying a Finnish ring, an Irishman? And he got back to me and said, well, he was in Helsinki in the summer and he's seen my stuff, he's seen my rings, and then he was going to get one, but then he went on a boat trip or something, and I think maybe I left or things happened and he couldn't get it. Anyway, he took my details on the market and he bought one. So I don't know if you're watching this, but cheers Johnny, it's in the post to you, man. See, it's copper clad. Right, now we want to fold it, and obviously we want this on the sunny side up of the ring, so this goes face down in a 17-degree folding die. And you want to get this as level as possible. That don't look too bad. So I touch it again. Hey, unbelievable. Okay. Let's go over to Big Red and see what he's going to do for us. This is Conan. far as I can go there, I think. I now need to change it to this one. Okie dokie. Okay. That is now fully folded. I just want to clean up this edge where I punch through. So for that we need Sandy on the job. And there she is. Most of my subscribers named most of my tools. I named a few, and a few people says, "Oh, you didn't name this one," and so I says, "Well, you tell me what you want, and I'll call it that." I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Where's the other one? You always sneeze twice, well I do. I wonder why you always sneeze twice. Saying that, I probably won't do it now. Oh, there you go. It's looking pretty good. So now we want to go over to your friend and mine, the one and only Spike. There you go. And I use a bit of kitchen roll in between Spike and the coin. Otherwise you lose the detail on the inside of the ring. I posted off the wedding rings today as well. So hopefully they're happy with them. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'm your man. I've got my shop, yourfingermyring.com. You can nip in there, see what I've got. They're all measured in EU size, but I can adjust them up or down. So what we got, there you go. I'll probably give it a bit more love. How much we got on here? Okay, I'll give it a bit more. Because it was work hardening a bit. Thanks to my latest subscriber, thank you so much. If you are watching this, hit the like button. It really does help me. You can also send me your own rings, your own coins, and I'll turn them into rings for you and video it like this and put it up on YouTube. You got any special coins that mean, you know, got some sentimental value to you, or dates or names or whatever. But don't send me stainless steel, because I'm not doing them anymore. I'll only do them for one person, and that's Gargi, who I made the wedding rings for. Right, let's give it a bit more of this then. should do. Right, let's take it over to, will it fit in here? It will fit in there for a little bit, maybe a couple of bushes it might. We're just trying to straighten the walls up. Maybe a little back the other way. Or did I go too far on that one? Yeah, I might have to go back to this baby. I did put the camera down. This is just the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. This can make the ring smaller. The spike makes them bigger. Yeah, you got any comments or ideas or something you'd like me to make? Ain't looking too bad. Yeah, that's good. It fits my little finger. Oh, it fits that finger better. Okay, let's clean it up. What we got? We've got Kate. Good old Kate. She's a bit rough again. Just make great gifts. All you've got to find out is their ring size. That's not looking too bad. Like after the video, all my rings get cleaned properly. My girlfriend does that. As my hands are still covered in polish and stuff, so. Right. Let's get a bit of polish on it. It's my old cloth. There it is. No, it's not. I forgot to take out the inside lip, but you can do that at the end. You can do it any time, really. So what I mean by covered in polish. You wipe it off, but it's still there. I went out this morning and I forgot to, I was going to get some more of these cloths, but what else we got here? Let's chuck in this felt pad and see what it comes up like. See, I don't usually do this, but this is to just show you how they can come up. I prefer the satin look. There you go. I mean, this will get even shinier when my girlfriend's finished with it. But there you have it. All the detail on the inside still. In God we trust. 1971. $half ring. What size we got? At the moment it's... Let's take out that lip. That's what I forgot to do. There's not much of one there. It's that little lip there. You want to take that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. There you go. Alright, what we're looking at. This is size. EU size. This is 69. My favourite number. 69. Why that be in UK size? Z, bloody Z. US size, it's a size 12 3/4. So there you have it, folks. $1.50 US ring. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Toodaloo. Tubby bye bye.